Hey guys, this is Dino. Today I'm going to tell you how to improve your chess game. I just said chess, but forgive me. The way to improve your chess game is to analyze games that are really instructive and really good commented. You can find them in there's a few good books like Logical Chess, maybe some games from Bobby Fischer, Kasparov, and something like that. You go ahead and maybe the position is something like this. Then you stop and think what the next move is. And you think only of moves of a winning side. Let's say the white won this game, and then you spend some time, not too much time, maybe approximately 3 minutes, because you're gonna have about 3 minutes for every move in a real game. And then when you are finished with thinking, you go ahead and read the commentary. For example, if you thought the move is, I don't know, this, which is a bad move, and move was actually maybe a castle or c3, some common moves in this position, maybe this move. You read why that move is good, and then your thinking system becomes better and better. That's the principle of, you make a mistake and then you correct. And you go on and on and on, more games and more pattern you see, and you're gonna improve. There's no a chance that you are not gonna improve. That's the number one method. There is certainly more methods, but in this channel I'm gonna keep it simple. For now, I'm gonna start just every video is gonna be a new game. I'm gonna analyze them deeply, and I'm gonna encourage you to stop a video after every move of a winning side. Think of the move, then I'm gonna explain it, and then that way we are gonna improve together. So thanks for watching this video. This is the first video on my channel. Like it if you like it, I guess. Subscribe if you wanna improve, you wanna see more videos like this, and good luck.